Everyone, so this morning we're taking down this bike so I could get the frame to the sandblast. So come do this with me. So the idea is to break down this bike so I could actually get a new paint job. Actually, I need to do a new paint job for this bike. So I am going to take it down and what we call it, bring it to the sandblast. So I'm gonna try to make this bike look a little bit cooler. So a little bit of history. This is a fixie that I bought last summer or 2 summers ago, something like that. And I made a custom paint job, but it turned out to be not as nice as I wanted to, or not as nice as I like to. So this winter, I've decided I will take it down and repaint it. So I could redo this entire paint job. Come on. Oh, yeah. Come on. There we go. This thing is pretty tight. A bit tighter than I expected or wanted. Not too sure. I'll check that after. No. Man, what happened here? Where did it go? Oh, there we go. It's gray like the floor. So it's a little bit hard to figure out. Shouldn't be too long to take down. These things are dangerous. Here's little clips. Hold on to your cables. Interesting. Oh, yeah. Okay. Don't lose any parts. Ta-da! Cooler. Da-da. This up here, so it doesn't fall into you. One of the spacers. 1, 2, 3, 4 spacers. Oh, that's gonna need some lubricant. No more grease or anything. Ba ba da ba ba. Interesting. I guess I did paint that one. Yep, that was one of my first paint jobs. I could tell. My real big one. This. Try to remove any of the scrap or grease that I find along the way. I know. 6, 7. Da, 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 da. And voila, just like that, the bike is ready to sand. There you go. Let's bring this to the sandblaster.